Theresa was the one, I think, that's been teaching me to cook.
Charlotte used to microwave oven pizza, so we've come a long way.
Don't tell them that!
Today we are making Turon, which is a Filipino banana spring roll. It's usually made for merienda, which is a light meal or snack.
So we are slicing the banana in half, and then we're slicing it lengthways. Dipping the cut side in some sugar just to lightly coat it.
So that's too much. It's too much. Traditionally, they're made with plantain bananas. So when you get bananas here, you want them only just ripe, because if they're quite ripe, they're just gonna turn to mush when you cook them. Tuck and roll.
Wow. How's that?
Oh, it's beautiful done. I mean, they do look different to mine, but. So next we're going to fry these spring rolls. Dip the corner in, and if it starts to bubble, then they're ready to go. They are not ready to go. My mum's youngest of 10, so she and her sister, when they were living in Manila, they would watch their mum make it, and then the two of them would sell it just in their local neighborhood. Oh, we're there. We're here. Oh, so we know when these are cooked, when the outside is a nice golden brown. Yeah, that one's quite nice. I think Mum would be proud of these. I really hope she would. Chin chin. Mm-hmm.